and this is a test run. I've got an old, no, it's not that old, magnetic stirrer for when I thought I was going to do chemistry as a retirement hobby. Then I realized I'd probably live longer if I didn't do it. And then I switched to electronics, something I'm more familiar with. So I wanted to see if I could use my stir plate for doing a surface mount component soldering. Here, I'm just going to zoom in now. So, it does look like it works. I thought my hot plate would get it high enough. It was quite nice how the solder melted and then went on to the pads. So, the next thing I'm going to do is I've got one of these little star ones. I've done one of these before, and I'm going to try doing it with the hot plate. So, let's see what happens. This is a two-sided board, and of course I'm only going to be able to do this for one side, otherwise the parts would fall off the other side. So what I've done is I've taken all the little parts out of their little packages, laid them out so that I have a reasonable idea where they go, and now I've got my syringe of solder paste with one of these fancy things. I'll probably zoom out and show it. I got this back in mailbag whatever-ish. So the next step is to put the solder paste on. And what I'm going to have to do is move my camera away from the work area a bit, since it's currently about 3 inches away from it. So using this, and this solder paste is supposed to be 183C. I'll just put... I gotta heat up the plate now. Okay, this is take 2. Obviously, take 1 was not gonna work. I'll probably be fast forwarding through this because I'm going to have to be very careful. Put some to the side. Find a screwdriver that's got the finest possible tip available. That doesn't look good. Okay, pull the metal ones. I've got one that's really tiny. So, let's try this again. It'd be interesting to see how that would have worked. I'm not sure which is going to be faster, the way I originally did it or this way. Yeah, at least this is working. I'm probably going to be in chipmunk mode in a moment. I guess I should make sure the camera's on. Yep, it is. I've been told that when I'm doing things I need to actually breathe. Either concentrate or breathe, one or the other. Okay, this is looking better, a lot better. I'll probably leave that first part of the video in there to show how it's not to be done. And you need a bigger drop. You can make lots of comments as long as they're not obscene in the comment section. What you think of my fantastic soldering paste application. I think the machine's going to take over. A bit more. That's all the pads. This one needs a bit more. Maybe. Don't know. Okay, next up. Using these ceramic tweezers. Highly recommend them. Okay. We shall see how this works. And since I turned the stir plate on earlier, in the first take, for some reason I feel very warm right now. It's not bad. Won't complain about pick and place machines ever again. Don't think I ever did complain about them. That one might be a bit dicey. There we go. Now, okay, I'm going to have to rearrange things. Okay, this is going to have to be very quick. I don't want to cook my camera. Oh, I should have cleaned that little bit off the side there. Hey, you, get on there. That was quick. Ow. And I dropped it. Well, let's try again. These I've got lots of nice silvery areas. Actually, soldery areas. Okay, let's try this again. Oops. Yeah, a few of these melted into the top. It was looking so good too. Okay. Oops. Really wasn't in the wrong way up. Of course, now they're sticky. Oops, that one's gonna have to go there. That's in the wrong place. Oh, that's a 333. Just the heat down on there. Okay, they're kind of on. I've actually adjusted the temperature down a bit. And yeah, everything moved as soon as I put it down. See over here. I've almost got it. I wonder if I've cooked the component yet. Oh, everything's almost lined up. Right. Oh, good. At least this time I dropped it and it didn't all fall apart. So there it is.